Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Now let's talk about the impossible challenge. You need to make a 10 or to 12-minute video with all different shots every 4 to 6 seconds or 8 seconds and with a script that you have to write yourself. You need to do this in only 2 minutes. No, you can't do it, right? I did it, and I did it with AI. And I did it with this app called AI in Video. So the next thing you're going to see is that full video. Don't mind the script. I didn't touch it. So if you find some inaccuracies there, it's all good, but it's basically what it is. See you then.
Core praxis.
Can you predict the future of instructional design? Do you know what skills will be required to stay ahead in this field in 2024? Picture yourself as an instructional designer. You're not just creating content, you're crafting learning experiences. But as the world evolves, so does your role. To stay ahead, you need to be in tune with the latest trends and skills in your field. Join me as we explore the 10 must-have skills for instructional designers in 2024. The first skill on our list is adaptability. Now, what does adaptability mean in the realm of instructional design? It's all about keeping pace with the ever-changing technological landscape and evolving methodologies. You see, instructional design is not a static field. It's more like a river that's constantly flowing, changing its course with the landscape. We're talking about new tools, new platforms, new ways of delivering content. Take, for instance, the shift from traditional classroom learning to online learning. It's been a game changer, hasn't it? And then there's the rise of mobile learning, virtual reality, artificial intelligence. The list goes on. Being adaptable also means adjusting to different learning styles. Everyone learns differently, right? Some people are visual learners, others prefer auditory or kinesthetic learning. So, as an instructional designer, you need to be able to cater to these diverse needs. Remember, being adaptable allows you to stay relevant in the ever-changing landscape of instructional design. Next up, we have creativity. Creativity, as we all know, is the spark that ignites innovation. Now you might be wondering, how does this apply to instructional design? Well, let me tell you, creativity is the lifeblood of engaging and effective learning experiences. It's not just about adding flash and dazzle. It's about conceptualizing and implementing ideas that push the boundaries of traditional education, making learning not just a task, but an adventure. Think about the last time you were gripped by a learning module. Chances are it was creative, innovative, and a little bit unexpected. That's the power of creativity. It's about thinking outside the box, challenging norms, and creating learning experiences that are memorable, engaging, and above all, effective. So, whether you're designing a new learning module or revamping an old one, remember to infuse it with a healthy dose of creativity. So, keep your creative juices flowing and make learning a fun experience. Third on our list is technical proficiency. It's the digital age, folks. Instructional designers need to be savvy in the use of various software and technologies. This isn't about being a tech whiz, but about understanding the tools of your trade. Whether it's e-learning development software like Adobe Captivate or Articulate Storyline, or graphic design tools such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, these are your paintbrushes for creating engaging and immersive learning experiences. But it doesn't stop there. Familiarity with learning management systems, or LMS, is a must, as this is where your courses will live and breathe. Knowing how to navigate these systems, upload content, and track learner progress is crucial. And let's not forget about video and audio editing tools. They can help you turn a bland presentation into a multimedia extravaganza. Technical proficiency allows you to deliver efficient and effective learning solutions. Skill number 4 is project management. The ability to juggle multiple tasks while keeping an eye on the big picture is an art in itself. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra. You've got to coordinate all the different sections to create a harmonious symphony. Project management involves overseeing timelines, ensuring resources are utilized effectively, and leading team members towards a common goal. It's about understanding the scope of the project, breaking it down into manageable parts, and ensuring each part aligns with the overall objectives. It's also about managing risks and addressing issues as they arise. A good project manager anticipates potential problems and has contingency plans in place. They communicate effectively and motivate their team to keep them focused and productive. Remember, instructional design projects are like puzzles. Each piece must fit perfectly to create the final picture. Good project management ensures timely and successful delivery of learning projects. Halfway through our list, we have communication. No surprise there, right? But let's dissect it a bit more. As an instructional designer, your communication skills are your best ally. Why? Well, they serve as the bridge that connects you with your clients, your ideas, and your team. Understanding your client's needs is crucial, and here's where your ability to listen closely and ask the right questions comes into play. Next up, conveying your ideas. It's one thing to have a brilliant concept in your mind, but can you articulate it effectively? Can you turn your abstract thoughts into tangible designs that others can grasp? That's where communication becomes vital. Lastly, collaboration. Working with a team means constant interaction, sharing ideas, receiving feedback, and making collective decisions. All these require clear and open communication. So brush up on those communication skills, folks. Remember, clear communication is key to successful instructional design. Moving on, we have critical thinking. This is the ability to analyze information objectively and make reasoned judgments. In the realm of instructional design, it's a crucial tool in your arsenal. Imagine you're faced with a complex problem. It's your critical thinking skills that help you analyze the situation, consider various solutions, and make an informed decision. Critical thinking also plays a pivotal role in designing effective learning experiences. It helps you to evaluate the learner's needs, assess the effectiveness of your instructional strategies, and make necessary adjustments. Think about it this way. You're not just creating a learning experience. You're crafting a journey, one that's engaging, enriching, and enlightening for the learners. And to do that, you need to put on your thinking cap, question assumptions, and drive innovation. Remember, critical thinking doesn't mean you're being critical in a negative sense. It's about being analytical, discerning, and thoughtful. Critical thinking enables you to create learning solutions that truly meet the learner's needs. The seventh skill on our list is understanding learning theories. Now you might ask, why is this important? Well, let me tell you, it's like the secret sauce in your instructional design recipe. Learning theories help you understand how people learn best, and this insight is invaluable. It's like having a roadmap to the learner's mind. There are various learning theories out there, each providing a unique perspective. From behaviorism, which focuses on observable behaviors, to constructivism, which argues that learners actively construct their own understanding of a topic and don't just passively absorb information. And let's not forget about adult learning theory, which emphasizes the self-directed nature of adult learners. Applying these theories in your designs can make a substantial difference. It's about tailoring the learning experience to how the brain naturally processes information. So, the next time you're crafting a learning module, remember to consider these theories. A strong understanding of learning theories can significantly improve the effectiveness of your designs. Next up, we have user experience design. This skill is like the secret sauce that makes your instructional design stand out. It's all about creating an engaging, intuitive, and rewarding experience for the learner. Think of it as a journey. You're not just providing information, you're guiding learners through a landscape of knowledge, making it exciting and accessible. A well-crafted user experience can make learning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. It's about understanding your audience's needs, preferences, and limitations, and then designing an experience that caters to them. It's about making the complex simple, the mundane fascinating, and the intimidating approachable. User experience design also involves creating a seamless flow of information, where each piece of content naturally leads to the next. It's about making the learning process intuitive, so learners spend less time figuring out how to learn and more time actually learning. Remember, a good user experience can significantly enhance the learning process. Ninth on our list is data analysis. Now let's unpack this crucial skill. In the vast world of instructional design, data analysis is like having a compass in an uncharted territory. It's about understanding learner behavior, not just on a surface level, but going deeper to figure out why learners do what they do. Imagine being able to make informed decisions, not based on hunches, but on clear, concrete data. That's the power of data analysis. You're able to spot patterns, identify gaps, and then take action to bridge those gaps. But it doesn't stop there. Data analysis is also about improving learning experiences. It's about making sure that your learners get the most out of your content. You see, with data analysis, you can refine and tweak your instructional design strategies based on what works and what doesn't. And that's the beauty of it. Data analysis enables you to make evidence-based decisions in instructional design. Last but not least, we have collaboration. This skill is the glue that holds all the other skills together. Collaboration can be likened to a symphony where each instrument plays a crucial role, and together they create harmony. In the context of instructional design, collaboration involves working together with subject matter experts, team members, and clients to enhance the design process. Think of it this way: the subject matter experts are your knowledge banks, providing the information you need to create meaningful content. Your team members are your allies, offering varying perspectives and skills to enrich the design. And your clients, they're the ones who know their audience best, providing invaluable insights into their learning needs. By embracing collaboration, you can create a comprehensive and effective learning experience that hits the right notes. It's like cooking a gourmet meal, where each ingredient adds depth to the overall flavor. Remember, collaboration is key to creating comprehensive and effective learning experiences. So, there we have it. The 10 must-have skills for instructional designers in 2024. From adaptability to creativity, technical proficiency to project management, communication to critical thinking, and understanding learning theories to mastering user experience design, data analysis, and collaboration. Each skill is a crucial piece of the puzzle, vital to excel in this ever-evolving field. Remember, staying updated with these skills will help you stand out in the field of instructional design. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this information guides you on your journey to becoming a successful instructional designer.